2.
I'm not trying to make you buy my Necamore leave-on mask, award-winning global bestseller. I want to convince you why you should. Let me explain something to you. This is not like what you're used to buying for the neck. This is a treatment that goes to the very source of aging on the skin of the neck. The skin of the neck ages differently for multiple reasons. First of all, we have a weak biome. Secondly, we have a very weak acid mantle. Thirdly, we have a weak lipid barrier and we have a poor protein network. We don't have oil glands to support the mantle, the barrier or the mantle, and the biome on the skin is very weak. So let's fix all that by addressing the issues at the root. If you do this cream the way I tell you, in 24 hours, if you don't know it's the best neck cream, send it back. It's gone viral for a reason. It's extraordinary. Apply the Necamore cream to your neck and décolleté every day and every night. At night, the only thing you're going to do differently is apply it thicker than an ordinary cream. Massage it in. I actually do a second layer as well and go to bed. During the day, just use very little of it, like a moisturizer. This is not a jar of water. The first ingredient is concentrated 10,000 times aloe. We have proteins, peptides, and amino acids that help support the protein network. We have phytoceramides and lipids to support the mantle and biome of the skin, pre and probiotics to support the biome. We have everything the skin on the neck to transform. We have everything your skin needs for the neck to transform it. Try it. You'll be happy you did.